Welcome to Lyric.Art, a transformative space where your artistic journey takes flight. In this vibrant community of artists from around the world, we're driven by the desire to deepen our understanding of the visual language. I invite you to join this ongoing year-long course focusing on the elements and principles of design, a comprehensive exploration that focuses your vision as an artist and lays the foundation for the growth and expansion of your work. In our community, you'll experience the camaraderie of small working groups, where growth is nurtured through mutual accountability and encouragement. We have live critique sessions, where I will teach you an effective analysis method that provides valuable feedback in an emotionally safe environment. At Lyric.Art, I believe in nurturing not just artistic skills, but also the courage to communicate through your creations. Together, let's celebrate your journey to finding your own unique voice as an artist. Join the Lyric.Art virtual course and community today. Focus your vision, find your voice.